A Smart Fob is a small, battery-operated handheld device that can be used to control your alarm system as well as activate a panic alarm. Before you can do anything with your fob, you need to turn it on and let it sync with the alarm system. To do this, hold the white power button down for 4 seconds. On our system, you can see the system is currently disarmed, shown by the green LED in the bottom right-hand side of the fob. To fully set the alarm, you can press the red padlock button. After a short period, the system will set. The red LED in the bottom left of the device indicates the system is fully set. To disarm the system, you can press the green padlock button. You can press the orange house button to part set your system, often referred to as a night set. Once set, the bottom middle orange LED will show the system's part-armed status. A panic alarm can be activated by holding down both the white power and green padlock button. In the case of this system, it's programmed to send a silent panic alarm, but it can be audible too. To turn it off again, press the green padlock button.